Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks, where we make a cocktail for everyone. Today we're making a Malibu Sunset. Let's get into it. Alright, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. I am stoked. The warm weather is right around the corner, and you know what? That makes me think of nice tropical drinks. So today we're going to make a 3-ingredient tropical drink. It's called the Malibu Sunset. But before I get into this, I need to wish happy birthday to 2 people. A local, his name is Peter, happy birthday, and my daughter Erin, happy birthday Erin. So, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your glass of choice. In this case, I'm using a rocks glass because it's nice, simple, elegant, and I like them. You could use anything you want, including a coffee mug, totally up to you. Grab your ice scoop, and what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of ice in here. Don't need that one either. The next thing you need is your Malibu rum. Now, Malibu rum is made with Caribbean rum and coconut liqueur, and most people call it coconut rum liqueur, but you know what? Everybody can call it Malibu rum as well, because that's what they do. So the first thing you need is 2 ounces of your Malibu rum, which works out to 60 milliliters. Oh yeah. The next thing you need is some pineapple juice. In this case, I'm using some fresh pressed pineapple juice. There's no sugar added because this is going to be very sweet. I can tell just by looking at it. And we need 4 ounces or 120 milliliters. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks really nice. Grab your spoon. We're just gonna give this just a little bit of a stir to mix that. Perfect. But don't get rid of your spoon just yet, because the next thing we need is some grenadine. In this case, I'm using Rose's Grenadine. It'll be a little sweeter than a homemade grenadine, but I have this on the shelf and I want to use it up. And if you have this, it's easily available to get. And we need 15 mils, which is half an ounce. So what you want to do is you want to take your spoon, and what you're going to do is you're just going to place it on the edge, and we are going to gently pour the grenadine so it pours down the side of the glass. And the reason we're going to do this slowly is this will stop the grenadine from mixing because we want it to go straight to the bottom. Look at that. Beautiful. We're almost there. We're almost home free. We need to make a garnish. Grab 2 maraschino cherries. Now in this case, I'm using the nuclear red style of cherry. It's what I have. This will also match the sunset. Like that. Put that like so, and you have it sitting on your glass. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's give it a try. Now, this is similar to a bikini martini. The only difference is that has vodka, this does not. So it smells really good. I immediately get some of the maraschino juice from the cherries. I can smell the coconut and the pineapple. It's good. It is sweet. It is a little bit more coconut forward. So if you don't like sweet cocktails, this may not be for you. I do have a sweet tooth, so let's try it out. Now we'll give this a bit of a stir and mix this up a little bit. See what difference we get. It definitely gets sweeter. I do like this because it's pineapple juice. You just can't go wrong. A little bit of coconut. Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below. If you think you should use something other than Malibu, let me know in the comments down below. And if this is your first time to my channel, please check out our subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you're interested in helping to support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/Booze on the Rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. And you know what? It's time for a nice Caribbean style drink. Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks, where we make a cocktail from an easy tropical cocktail. We're gonna have a Malibu rum. So grab your scoop, a little bit of ice that's over there, whatever.